And also, as you know, I am a hands-on manager. My ministers accuse me of being a micromanager. Yes, I admit I'm a micromanager. I will phone my ministers 2 o'clock at night or 5 o'clock in the morning, and I will ask them the price of eggs today. And now I feel a bit sorry because several of my ministers have fainted in public. And sometimes I get reports, some of my senior officials are in hospital. Why? Heart problem. So I feel guilty. Maybe it's because their boss is a bit too micromanager. Especially if I have coffee in front of me. Sorry. Can I have a